Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to edit photos in Husky Shadow using Adobe Lightroom for iPad. Here is an example photo before and after using this filter. So let's start editing.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
First go to light. Contrast to +50. Highlights to -60. Shadows to -10. Whites to +25. And blacks to +48. Go to curve.
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me.
Next go to color. +20 for vibrance. And saturation to +6. Go to color mix. Hue to -6. Saturation to -22. Next go to orange. Hue to -6. Saturation to -45. Luminance to -20. Go to yellow. Hue to -100. Saturation to -65. And luminance to -15. Go to green. Saturation to -50.
You could be with anyone,
And luminance to -25.
anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be
Next go to aqua.
with anyone, I could be with anyone.
Saturation to -70. And luminance to -30. Go to blue. Saturation to -80. Luminance to -25. Next go to Effects. Clarity to +20. Dehaze to +15. Go to Detail. Noise reduction to +12. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo copy setting.